The garden looks so beautiful today. The soil is soft and perfect for planting.
Hello, my beautiful gardener. You are working very hard. I brought some cold lemonade for us.
Oh, thank you, David. That is very kind of you. I am very hot and thirsty. This is very refreshing.
So, where are you planting the new roses today, Anna?
Right here, next to this old bench. But the ground near the roots of the old oak tree is a bit hard.
Don't worry, I am strong. After we finish our drinks, I will help you dig the soil.
Thank you, David. It is always nice to work together.
Wait a minute. What was that noise? The shovel hit something metallic.
Maybe it is just a big stone, David. There are many rocks in this garden.
No, that was not a stone. It sounded like metal. Let me dig a little more carefully.
Oh my goodness, David, that is an old box. What is inside?
Listen, there is something inside. It sounds like something small and heavy.
Open it, David. Let's see what is inside.
It is locked, Anna. The lock is very rusty and old. I cannot open it with my hands.
Wait here, David. I will go to the garage and get the small hammer and some oil. Okay, David, try again now. The oil will make the lock soft.
Let's see. Cross your fingers, Anna.
Wow, look at this key, David. It is made of silver and it has a beautiful pattern. But what does it unlock?
Let's read this note. The paper is very old. There is a short message written in beautiful old handwriting. It says, "To the one who finds this box, look under the floorboards of the old garden shed. The silver key unlocks the family's secret memories."
The old garden shed? David, we only use that shed to store old newspapers and broken chairs.
Well, it looks like our peaceful Sunday just turned into a treasure hunt. Let's go to the shed, Anna.
David, look. The wood near the back window is a bit loose. Help me move this heavy box of old newspapers.
Look, there is a small wooden chest hidden right under the floor.
Here is the key, David. You do the honors.
Oh, Anna, look at this. These are photographs of my grandparents when they first built this house 50 years ago.
And look at this diary, David. It is your grandmother's journal. She wrote about planting the very first apple tree in this garden.
This is the best treasure in the world, Anna. Our family's history.
Yes, David. Our Sunday turned out to be truly magical. Let's go inside and read her stories together.
The greatest treasures in life are not gold or silver, but the beautiful memories we make and share with our family.
We hope you really enjoyed our beautiful garden story today.
Now, let's see how carefully you listened to the story. Here is our question of the day.
What did David and Anna find inside the hidden wooden chest? A. A big bag of gold coins. B. Old family photographs and a diary.
Tell us your answer in the comments below. We want to see who got the correct answer.
If you liked our story today, please click the like button and share this video with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Fluent English Practice, for more fun English stories.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Good morning, Anna. Are you ready for today's trip?
Absolutely. I've never been to this farmer's market before. I'm really excited.
You're going to enjoy it. Many local farmers come here every weekend to sell fresh food.
That sounds wonderful. I like buying fresh fruits and vegetables.
Me too. The food here is usually fresher than what you find in many supermarkets.
Really? Why is that?
Because most farmers pick their fruits and vegetables early in the morning before bringing them here.
That means the food is very fresh.
Exactly. Fresh means it was recently picked or harvested.
I want to learn more English while we shop today.
Of course, we'll learn many useful words that you can use at any farmer's market.
Great! Let's go inside. Look at all these vegetables. Everything looks so colorful.
Yes, this stand has carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, spinach, potatoes, onions, and peppers.
They all look very fresh.
Fresh means the vegetables were recently picked and are still in excellent condition.
I see a sign that says organic vegetables. What does organic mean?
Organic means the vegetables were grown without harmful chemicals or artificial pesticides.
So many people prefer organic food because they believe it is healthier.
That's right.
I also noticed another sign that says seasonal. What does that mean?
Seasonal means the vegetables are naturally growing during this time of the year.
So, tomatoes may be seasonal in summer, while pumpkins are seasonal in autumn.
That's a perfect example. Which vegetables do you want to buy?
I'd like some carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, and potatoes.
Good choices. They are easy to use in many meals.
Excuse me, how much are these tomatoes?
They are $3 per kilo.
Per kilo means the price for 1 kilogram, right?
Exactly. These tomatoes were picked early this morning.
They certainly look fresh. We'll take 1 kilo of tomatoes and 1 kilo of carrots, please.
Okay, I'll pack them for you. Here you go.
Thank you. Wow, the fruit stand is even more colorful.
Yes, look at the apples. Peaches, strawberries, grapes, cherries, oranges, and blueberries.
Everything smells wonderful.
Fresh fruit always has a nice natural smell.
These peaches look beautiful.
They do. Try gently pressing one.
It feels a little soft.
That's usually a sign that it is ripe.
What does ripe mean?
Ripe means the fruit is ready to eat. It has the best flavor and texture.
I understand. If it's too hard, it isn't ready yet.
Exactly.
And if it's too soft?
Then it may already be overripe.
I see. So ripe is just right.
That's right.
Excuse me, how much are the peaches?
They're $4 per kilo today.
And what about these strawberries?
They are $5 per basket.
They look so fresh. Can we taste one?
Of course.
Wow, it's so sweet. And it's also very juicy. I'd like 1 basket of strawberries.
Okay, I'll pack them.
What about grapes? They look delicious.
These green grapes are seedless.
Seedless means there are no seeds inside, right?
Exactly.
Perfect. I'll take 1 bunch. Sam, look at the stand. I see honey and fresh eggs.
Yes, these products come directly from the farm.
The jars of honey look beautiful.
They do. Let's take a closer look.
Excuse me, is this honey made on your farm?
Yes, our bees collect nectar from local flowers.
That's amazing. So this is pure honey?
Yes, it is 100% pure, with nothing added. It is natural.
I understand. Does every jar taste the same?
Not exactly. The taste depends on the flowers the bees visit.
That's interesting. Can we taste a little?
Of course. Here is a small sample.
Wow, it's smooth, sweet, and delicious. I think we should buy 1 jar. 1 medium jar, please.
Certainly.
And these eggs look very fresh too.
They were collected this morning.
What is the difference between these eggs and supermarket eggs?
Farm eggs are often fresher because they go straight from the farm to the market.
That makes sense. How much is a dozen eggs?
$6 per dozen.
A dozen means 12 eggs.
Exactly.
We'll take 1 dozen, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. I can smell fresh bread.
This bakery stand is always popular.
Everything looks warm and fresh.
Look at those homemade loaves of bread.
What does homemade mean?
Homemade means it is made by hand, not in a large factory.
I like homemade food. It feels more special.
I agree.
Good morning. Would you like to try our fresh bread?
Yes, please.
This is our homemade whole wheat bread.
It's soft and very tasty. Do you bake everything yourself?
Yes, we bake fresh bread every morning.
That's wonderful. What kinds of bread do you have today?
White bread, whole wheat bread, sourdough, and cheese bread.
I think we'll take 1 whole wheat loaf.
Good choice.
I also see some pastries. Those look delicious. What kinds do you have?
We have croissants, cinnamon rolls, blueberry muffins, and apple pastries.
Everything looks so good.
Which one do you want?
I'll take 1 blueberry muffin, and my friend will have a butter croissant.
Great choices. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything smells wonderful. I think we have everything on our shopping list now.
Let me check one more time, just to make sure we didn't forget anything.
We bought fresh vegetables, sweet fruits, local honey, fresh eggs, and homemade bread.
That's right. We also learned many useful English words while shopping today.
Yes, shopping at a farmer's market is a great way to practice English in real situations.
I agree.
That was such a fun morning.
Yes, farmers markets always have a friendly atmosphere.
I enjoyed talking with the local farmers, too.
Me too. They were happy to explain where their products came from.
Now I understand words like fresh, organic, local, seasonal, ripe, and per pound much better.
Those are very useful words when you visit any farmer's market.
I also learned how to choose good vegetables and sweet fruits. Everything we bought today looks delicious.
I can't wait to make a healthy dinner with all these fresh ingredients.
Me neither. Shopping here was much more enjoyable than going to a regular supermarket.
I agree.
I'm really happy we came today.
Me too. Let's come back next weekend and discover even more local products.
That's a great idea. Let's head home now.
Let's go.